Hello friends, today is the video that you have all been waiting for. It's my YouTube studio tour. I've been getting a lot of comments recently from people asking me, Roxana, how do your videos look so good? What camera are you using? What lighting are you using? Even how did you design your really awesome backdrop? Well, fear not, I will reveal all in today's video and show you how you too can make a humble YouTube studio on pretty much a $0 or £0 budget. The first thing that you and I both need to make videos is a camera. Now, there's no way around this. Without something to record yourself, you won't be able to make videos. My camera is an Oppo F5 1080p 30 frames per second camera. I do not have another camera to show you it, but I do have a mirror, so we can make like a really cool insert shot like this. So you can see that indeed an Oppo F5 is a phone. This is probably just a step above your inbuilt laptop webcam. It's nothing fancy, but the really good thing about this camera is it can record video, and that's literally all you need to get started. The next thing you want to think about is your light source. Now, without the light, the image will be black. We won't be able to see you. So you have to use some form of light. Currently, I use one single light source, which is about 6,000 kelvins and a gazillion lumens. So I will just show you that. The light is out here in the sky, aka the sun. I live in Indonesia, which is pretty much on the equator, so all year round from 6 AM till 6 PM, I'll have sun, even during rainy season. Today it's a little bit cloudy, so it's already diffused through the clouds. And then furthermore, I have another layer of diffusion here, which is a single pane glass window about 180 by 60 centimeters. So that is the light source that I use pretty much all the time. And on my camera settings, I have actually change the white balance to daylight, hence why it gives a bit more of this orangey color. The next thing you want to think about is your microphone. Now, if you're using your phone or I guess any other camera, it will have an inbuilt microphone, but the chances are it's going to be a bit rubbish. So this is where I'm not being sarcastic. I did actually spend about $40 on a microphone. It is the Boya BY-MM1 shotgun microphone. And I have just attached it to this like arm of the tripod with a hairband because it works, and I'm a cheapskate and I have hairbands everywhere. You can pick these up in Primark for like £1 for 10 of them. So if it works, it works. It's attached on there nice and steady. I don't need a C-ring stand, I don't even know what they're called, but it's on my tripod. The next thing you want to think about when you are recording YouTube videos is your actual like studio physical setup, where you will sit, the background you will have, and so on. So I am literally sat, I will show you. I am literally sat on the floor on this orange bed cover, which is also my dog's bed sometimes, so there's probably loads of dog hair on it. You're probably gonna think I'm disgusted now, but well, either you're my people or you're not. You can decide to subscribe or not. I am currently sat on the floor just because I don't really have another desk and not one that can fit near the light source anyway. So this is just how we are rolling for now. See, here is my dog. She's come to claim her bed back. But I just wanted to say, having this bed cover here instead of just the hard tiled floor makes this room less like an echo chamber. And I feel like it's my cheap version of sound dampening. The tripod itself is definitely nothing fancy. It's just like a regular tripod you can pick up off Amazon. There's my dog again, just for the likes. Give me a thumbs up if you like dogs. But it's got really super extendable legs and a hook here to hang like your camera bag or some weights so it doesn't go flying in the wind, flying on your dog. Oops. And yeah, this is the arm where I put my microphone. And my favorite part is over here where this is just completely broken, but we fixed it together with some like putty that goes hard, and then yeah, it still works. And then of course I've got the mobile phone holder, so this is where my phone actually goes, but I'm currently holding it in my hand. So that is the tripod. Sorry, Gaia, the tripod didn't fall on you though. So the next thing, which is my incredible backdrop. So this is just a basic side table, and then I've got some stuff there to make it, I don't know, look cool, like I'm very worldly apparently. And then I have included this, wherever it is, Instax camera, just so you guys know that, like, yeah, I'm professional. I've got an Instax camera. I know what I'm talking about. If it's not there, my backdrop looks a bit random and you'll be like, who's this girl on YouTube? But with the Instax camera there, you see that and it's like, bam, she's gonna win an Oscar one day. I'll follow her. So that's how it's going for now. Let me know in the comments below which part of my setup is your favorite and what you have for your setup. If you didn't understand the sarcasm in this video, I do not apologize. That is on you, not on me. I am British. Sarcasm is my first language and English is my second language. If you did enjoy the sarcasm and if you liked the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and click subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.